In the previous two parts to this series, we have looked at savings and investment and how they fit into the overall risk profile. What we have to do now is move on and have a look at what is gambling and speculating. Now, let's start off with gambling. Take the national lottery. That could create the ultimate return. A couple of rands could make you a multimillionaire. In other words, you're looking for the infinite return. And if we go looking for the infinite return, we can find it. What are your chances, for example, of winning a jackpot? 1 in 13 million. So if you bought one ticket for 13 million weeks, well, maybe you'd win something. But we're not going to live that long. So what we can conclude is that lottery is just for fun, and stick to the old adage of responsible gamblers know when to stop. What is the question with speculating? Speculating is a kind of gambling. What you are saying is there are speculative chances of something happening to me, or winning money, or making money in the long term. Speculating is looking at out of the money chances, things that don't happen to you on a regular basis, but can in any event affect your life. So what are the chances of a car crash, a theft, violence and crime, death or disability? Those things are real. They do happen, not on a monthly basis, but when they happen, we need to cover those events so that your investments and your savings are not wiped out. And for that reason, we have insurance to cover speculative chances. That's a whole new ball game that you've got to have a look at, and you've got to say, what insurance do I need against speculative chances that could happen to me in the new South Africa? And again, you need to seek financial advice on what insurance is required to make sure that you get insurance against speculative events at the right price. So then, let's put it all together. We have the risk profile going from zero risk to insane risk. Your savings are there for your monthly war chest to cover odd events and expenses that cannot be covered by your monthly salary. Your wealth creation is covered by your investment portfolio that you need to build up in a well-balanced portfolio over a period of many years. Your insurance sits in your speculative portfolio to cover unfortunate events that could happen to you while your investments are growing, so that your investments do not get wiped out. And then finally, we have gambling. Well, we will keep that just for fun.